To another video. Today we have the deal of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got some power tools, we got some hand tools, mechanic, and we got some accessories for the saws and woodworking. Alright, so special buy of the day. You got the timer there to the left. Alright, you got the oscillating tool and atomic. Guys, last time I went to Home Depot, I did see this kit here. If you guys looked at my video from today, I did see this kit. They had it with the clearance items. I don't know if they're gonna drop down the price or what's gonna happen. But on here on the online it's $169, but I did see this at the clearance section, you know, where they have all the yellow tags, right in the middle of the store, which is weird. Check out my video. I'll see if I can link it up above from earlier today, or from yesterday, but you know, today it was released. You got 5 tool combo kit with the 1.5 amp hour batteries, $139. Like I said, all these kits are really good for DIYs. I don't know if I would spend $500 on a kit like this though. Mostly brush tools, but it is a really complete kit, but only if you're DIY. It's a pretty good deal here for the mechanics, or for, you know, somebody that likes doing mechanic work at their, you know, at their house. You got the ratchet, you got the impact gun there, 3/8, $129. Pretty good stuff there. You got the grease gun, inflator, impact. Yeah, it's pretty nice kit for the mechanic. Definitely a nicer kit. So $289. And then you got the impact driver. You got a reciprocating saw. You got a light, a battery, $145. Not too bad of a deal. You got a fan. You got a speaker, $99. And then you got $159. You got the light. Not the best deals here, guys. This fan by itself, you can probably get it for $50. This one, I think this one's pretty good. I think this was a little bit more than this one, like $70, 79 or something like that. But on this one, this was not really a good deal because you can probably get this with the hack or something like that, cheaper than that. Like these two, you can get with the hack cheaper. All right, you got the rigid 6 1/4 circ saw, $129. We got the 7 1/4 octane, $199. Remember, guys, the octane is going to be clearanced out. You're not going to see that. So if you want the octane, it's pretty good tools, great tools. Make sure you guys get them. $169 for the jigsaw, $149 for the router kit. You got the impact wrench, octane, $249. You got a drill, a really basic drill, and some drill bits there, $99. You got another drill, some titanium drill bit sets, or drill bits, $98. You got a drill and a light, $79. Not the greatest. Pretty good deal here with the battery, because I believe this nailer by itself, it's $100. So $159. And then you got the grease gun kit with the battery, $154. All right, you got the reciprocating saw. This is the smaller one, the compact. And then you got the impact wrench for $259. You got a one-handed reciprocating saw, $159 from rigid, octane. You got a drywall cutout tool, $99. You got a sander, $99. You got an angle grinder, $159. You got what is this? So what's the difference between these two? 4.5. So it's the same. It's the same thing, or that's weird. 4.5, and this is a 4.5. So it's basically the same thing. I don't know if there's a different model number or anything on these two. So definitely check it out. You know, if you're interested, make sure you guys look at those two. You get 2 impact wrenches, $159. Not too bad of a deal, pretty good. You got a miter saw and a stand, $528. A little expensive to tell the truth, but I mean, we've seen better deals with the DeWalt. Then you buy the miter saw and you get a free stand. You got 10 ounce cock gun, 119. And you got, what is this? The grease gun kit again for 179. I don't know why they have it multiple times. You got a Husky air compressor, 1 horsepower, 149. You got a compact bandsaw, 189. You got a 6-amp corded 1/8 joiner planer, 599. You got an airstrike brat nailer, 159. And then you got a brat nailer. This was not bad, 269. A 16-gauge straight nailer and a brat nailer. Alright, this is also out. Why even look at that? Alright, hand tools. Let's see what they have. You got some gear wrench ratchets. You got 1/4 inch 3/8, 54 bucks. You got a set of 3 Husky, 144 tooth. See, this is what you want to look for. If you're buying a ratchet, make sure you're looking for the tooth, because if you're getting something below 70, you're probably better off getting something else. You will definitely want to look for something like that has a high tooth count. $44.97. You got a Crescent 3/8 drive 6-point standard SA and metric mechanics, 25 bucks. It's not a bad little deal here. Pretty nice. You got a DeWalt tow system with the mechanics drive tool set, 53 piece, 99 bucks. It's a really good deal if you're on the DeWalt platform. You want to get a box and you want to get a nice kit there. Got a Husky SAE combination ratcheting wrench, 44 piece, 115. So you're getting a ratcheting wrench and you're getting a regular wrench set. Not really the best deal. Not really the best deal because you can probably get, these are 49 bucks by themselves, so you're paying another $49 for this. No, this is not a good deal. Guys, go to the store and just buy yourself a ratcheting wrench set for 49 bucks. These you can probably get in cheaper somewhere else, you know, or just buy them separate by themselves when they go on sale. But yeah, this kit by itself, it's a really nice kit for 49 bucks. I'll hit the stores. Definitely get that at stores. Rigid 10 ounce job site stand with the Pro Sight, $7.99. So you got 2 of them. You got a 10-inch job site Pro table saw, and then you got a light, $4.29. See, some of these deals you have to look at, and you know, sometimes they just put them together and think you're getting a good deal, but you're not. $24 for the 16 piece, $24.97, and you get a blade here. And then here's a flexible 12-inch 60-tooth carbide tipped miter saw in $29.97. And here's a what is it, 5/8 DeWalt 5/8 17-inch power ship auger bits, $13.97. Get a diamond drill bits, $13.97. You get a DeWalt drill bit set 8-piece, $14.97. Get a Makita Impact X driver bit set, 50-piece, $19.97. All right. Got an Impact X 35-piece, $14.97. You got a 40-piece, $17.97. Not necessarily the best deals. This was a pretty good deal. The right angle by itself, it's 20 bucks, more than 20 bucks. And on this one, you get a Max Fit extension, 6-inch extension. So definitely check this one out. This one's a really good deal. $18.97. You're basically getting this extension for free. You got an 18-volt LXT lithium cordless corded LED floodlight, $87.99. You got Lantern flashlight, $56.99. You got a adjustable beam flashlight, $54.99. You got a rigid floodlight with a detachable light torch, $89.97. Got a cordless speaker. So like I said, this one by itself, it's 89 bucks. So that deal on the top was a pretty good deal. But this one does come with the battery. So just to let you know, this one's still a great deal. It's probably one of the better deals here. This cordless vacuum, 1.6 Allen with the 6, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 6. So definitely check it out. This is probably the best deal, one of the best deals here. You got hand vacuum kit, nozzles, extension tube, $79.97. You got a large visibility gloves, 79. What the? 12 pairs. Yeah, I was gonna say $79.99 for one. They're crazy, but still, it's kind of expensive for 79 bucks for 12 pairs. I mean, yeah, I guess it's okay, but it's not the best deal. Still, they're Milwaukee's, that's why. Alright, got a level 4 cut resistant polyurethane. 12 pairs, 89 bucks. Got 69 bucks for this one. Alright, so this one, what's this one? Let's see, 350 lumen LED rechargeable utility hot stick flashlight, $179. It's a little pricey for a flashlight. You got two extra large level cut 3 resistant polyurethane, $79.99. You got the same thing, but $69.99 for those. So you got a whole bunch of gloves here. I'm not gonna go over all of them. I don't know if you let me know what you guys think about these gloves. You guys like them? Do you guys use them? They have a whole bunch of them here. All right, we got some batteries here. It's already sold out. All right, you got some Milwaukee stuff. You got brushless, cordless 7 and 9 inch angle grinder. $4.19. That's the kit. That's come with the battery. Looks like a big battery. I don't know if it's a 6 or an 8. It's a 12, guys. It's a 12. It's definitely worth it. Definitely check it out. Got a bandsaw, 349 M18 fuel. You got drill driver. I believe these are brushed tools. These are not even brushless. So 178 with the looks like a titanium case there. Like I said, not the best deals on these, but these are. We did see a few of them earlier today. So that's it, guys. I'm not gonna keep you guys. We got some mirrors on the bottom, rugs and stuff like that. Yep, that's it. So definitely check it out, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way you tour us the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. And we'll see you guys on the